Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the DevOps Rite. And in today's video, we are going to learn bash scripting, how we can create a script that can back up a particular directory to your Google Drive or some another storage like AWS S3. So in this lecture, we will be using AWS S3 for the backup. So first of all, what you need to do, make sure your system has Git installed. Like I have Git installed in my system. You can use either Git or WSL. So for Git, you need to type on browser Git download. That's enough. And open this first website, Git SCM. And you need to check Windows. And here you can download standalone installer, or you can directly click here to download latest version. And after downloading, make sure you add it in the environment variables as well. So after adding environment variable, you need to type cmd and you need to type git dash version. I have git 2.47. okay, so you have two choices, either git or WSL for Windows, so you can install WSL as well. Git bash. First of all, create a directory. We have the new folder here, and I'll type S3 backup script. Click enter and then open it, and I need to open it in git bash here. So this is git bash, it is opening. Done. So what you need to do, first of all, you can see this folder is empty, so let's create a file. Touch is command to create a file, and I'll use s3 backup.sh and hit enter. Now you can check one file is created here. Let me close this. So file is created. Now we need to write code in this file, the script in this file. So I'll use Vim editor. If you don't have Vim editor, you can install. Otherwise you can use nano. I will type vim s3 backup.sh, and you can see it is opened in editor. So first of all, we need to write. So right now we are in insert mode. Okay, so first of all you need to type hash, then exclamatory symbol, then slash bin bash. Basically it's a shebang statement that tells our system that this is a bash script and use bash to execute this one. Okay, if you don't have AWS account for S3, you need to create one. And if you want like another video for backup script in Google Drive, then please comment and I'll create another video. What is this? So next we need to declare the script directory. So I'll type script underscore dir and equals. Then we will be using quotes, $, and cd to change the directory. Again $, but that will be in quotes, $, directory name. Basically we are doing this one to current directory. Okay, so directory name done. Then again quotes, type $0 quotes closing, and then the bracket closing, again quotes, then pwd for print working directory, and bracket close, and then quotes. I'm forgetting something is here, sorry. Okay, it's done. This is our script directory. Basically we are getting the current directory where the script exists. So anywhere you will be pasting the script, it will automatically get that particular directory. After script directory, we have source directory, which will be our script directory, $script dir close. Next, we have the backup directory, quotes and $. Script directory, make sure you have spellings correct. And then inside it, we will have an underscore backups and quotes close. So we will be using this backups folder for the file organization. Now I'm using S3 bucket here. So we need to declare the S3 bucket. Okay, let's type S3 bucket equals and quotes S3 colon and the symbol. Now I need to type a name here that must be unique. As you know, S3 bucket allows only unique names worldwide. So I'll be typing my bucket by the DevOps Rite. So this is the name of my bucket. Let's give a date. Here you can use $, but use symbol, then date plus quotes, percent symbol y for year, percent symbol m for month, and percent symbol d for date, quotes and bracket close. Okay, we have date here. Next we need to do to backup the file. So let's use create variable backup file equals. Okay, we are backing up the file, so we'll create backup. So I'll write backup and underscore. I'll call date here, date, and then the extension to compress it .tr.zz. Basically the like we have zip files, so this is similar to that in Linux systems. Quotes close, and we will now echo starting backup, and we will create let's print the directory first. Echo source directory and call the source directory variable. Make sure the spellings are correct because we don't have suggestions here. Source directory. Okay, let's call the command mkdir make directory -p and call the backup directory. Okay, now we need to create a compressed backup in this type of file. So let's do this. First of all, let's echo this statement, creating compressed backup, and then close it. We'll use command -dar -c -f. Make sure to write it properly, czf. Then call the backup variable backup directory, and inside it call the backup file, and give a space after closing this one and hit enter. In the next line, use exclude quotes and backup, and again this symbol, and then dot. To handle it, let's create a if statement. So if dollar question mark dash any 0, then echo means if the result is negative, then you need to echo compression failed, exit 1, and to close this one use fi. So this is like if else statement we have in other programming languages. Okay, if it is done, then we need to upload it in S3. So we can echo this step, uploading to S3 bucket, close. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell you what another thing you need to do. Just open your browser and type AWS CLI install. You need to install this CLI as well. So it is also showing the command. If you are in Mac, use brew. If you are in Linux, use sudo apt get install AWS CLI. Make sure after installing the AWS CLI, you add it in the environment variable as well, so that you can call it from the terminal. So here we will use that command AWS and S3 cp for copy and dollar that backup directory, and inside it we have the backup file we have. Then close the quotes, and where you need to copy it, use quotes dollar S3 bucket, inside the S3 bucket, and backup file dollar backup file. So this is a copy command, AWS S3 cp copy this file to this file. This destination means, okay. And also we can use if statement like we used above, the dollar and question mark dash any zero, then echo upload failed. And exit one fi. Before that, you also need to configure AWS. And to configure AWS, you also need account details. Let me show you. You need to have AWS account. So AWS console. And let's sign up in the console. As a root user, I'm signing in again. Let me write the password here. No thanks. It is asking for security. So I'm logging in. I can see my console now. In the console, you need to first of all create the secret and access key. So let me use some IAM. I have already created an IAM user. So let me open users. You can see there are two IAM users. So I have used this one here. And after opening this IAM user, you need to scroll. You can see access key, and let me show you where you can create it. So just go to security credentials and scroll down, and here you will see create access key. You can go here. It is disabled in my case because I have already created two access keys. So you need to create access key, and it will give you keys like access key, this type of access key, and the secret key as well. You need to copy paste them and keep them in somewhere like notepad. We will need them later. Okay, let's back to the script. After uploading, and we need to remove the local backup, echo removing the local backup. And to remove them, just use rm to remove -f for file and dollar backup directory. Inside it we have backup file and close, and in the last we can type backup completed. So this is the script done. Make sure you don't have any mistakes in this, because of no suggestions. This is common that you will create mistakes and that will cause errors. So what you need to do now, to save it, press ESC to get back out of insert mode, and press shift and colon, then write WQ and hit enter, and your script is saved. To see that script, you need to type cat s3 backup.sh. Here is all the script you can see. And first of all, we need to make it executable. So we will type change mode +X to make it executable, and the name of the file s3 backup.sh. Now it is executable. Now to call it, we need to type dot and the symbol and then file name backup.sh. First of all, let me drop some images in this directory, like 2 or 3 images. So you can see thumbnail here. Okay, let's back to the script and hit enter. If we are getting some errors. So it is saying cannot create directory, permission denied. and another is command not found. So these are the errors we are getting right now. All these are typos. You can see here I have used it at the wrong place. And in the next error, this is also a typo. And another thing is cannot create directory, permission issue. Okay, creating backup cannot. Yeah, this is also a typo. So let me fix this up. Let me fix the typos. Okay, let me show you the script again. You can see, and the error was this one is solved. And let me run this file now. First of all, make it executable, change mode plus x s3 backup.sh. And is it executable? Let's call this and enter, starting the script. Source directory, it had found this one, compressing items, and it is also uploading. So 7.6 MB, removing local backup, it is removed. Let type ls. You can see the local backups folder here. Let me check my S3. And our bucket are loading. So I can't see my bucket here. Looks like I have logged in using, okay, I think in this, if I had changed the name, yeah, you can see 7.6 MB backup. You can see this is of today's backup, 28 and 1312. So this is a backup type ZZ archived. So that's it, and you can find all the script. Let me show you get s3 backup.sh. I'll give you the script in the description box soon. So also you can watch this video and write the script as well. So this is the whole script. Let me clear and exit. Also you can follow me on Instagram by typing the DevOps Rite. You can find my website just a scroll away. This is my website, and you can find all of things here: mail, LinkedIn, and Instagram, GitHub. You can follow me, and also I have created a tool, this one, that will be helpful for HRs. And also you can give me a feedback here. If you want another video for the script to upload your backup on Google Drive, then please comment and I'll create a video for you, sure. That's it. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.